What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this pretty bronze look using all new products. So if you want to see how I created this pretty look, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So my face is moisturized and we're going to prime using the Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer infused with Glow Nectar and Brightening Hydra Complex. And just going to rub that in all over the face so our makeup can stick and stay in place. Now I'm going to take my Morphe concealer and C435 and put this all over my acne scars so I can cover those up. Then I'm going to take my InStylish Beauty Blender and I'm going to just, steeple those in place so that way I can get those concealed. And it's working out really nicely. I'm liking this concealer so far. So now I'm just going to set that concealer with some Fenty Beauty setting powder so it won't blend into my foundation. And this is the shadow I'm going to be using is by Ibby Beauty, the City Limits. And it's super pretty. But first I'm going to take my Morphe concealer and use that on my eyelids so I can prime them and get them ready for some eyeshadow. I'm going to take a BH flatter brush and I'm going to take the headliner shadow and just put that all over my eyes. And this shadow is so pretty. You don't even need a transition shade or anything because this is the only shade I'm going to use on my entire eye. Just so pretty. So now I'm taking the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer in DG6. I got this in my Ipsy bag for the month of February and I wanted to give this foundation a try and see how it works out for my skin. So I'm just going to dab that all over. Then I'm going to take an e.l.f. foundation brush and blend that all in. I love using foundation brushes because they give you more of a full coverage than a sponge. But I will go back over it with a sponge to make sure that there's no streaking and everything is flawless. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Magic Star Concealer by Jeffree Star in C16 and go on and highlight my face in the areas that I want to brighten. I know this is an oldie, but it is a goodie and I cannot get enough of this concealer. It blends out very smooth and beautifully. It's just nice. It lasts all day. No caking. I love this concealer. So now I'm just going to set that with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in Banana. Yeah, I was listening to some music, so sorry, y'all. Just feeling myself. So now I'm going to be using the Morphe Setting Powder in Romance. This is another oldie but a goodie, but I thought it would complement my eye look really, really well. So I went on and used it. So now I'm going to be taking the Makiage Inkliner. This is a liquid liner that I got in one of my box subscriptions for this month. I can't remember which one, and I wanted to give it a try because I normally do gel liner, and I was like, oh, let me just go on and give this liquid liner a try. I never use it on my top lash line. I always use it on my bottom. So hey. And I think it came out pretty well, and I think that this is a pretty nice liner. It did not smudge, it did not run, so very nice. So now I'm taking my fancy falsie lashes, because I gotta put some falsies on, y'all. Y'all know me. And I'm going to take my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue, and I'm just gonna go on and put that on my lash strips and pop these bad boys on. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'll just let y'all watch. Now I am taking the Amuse Waterproof Lengthening Mascara, and I'm going to put that on my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to be taking the Master Chrome by Maybelline metallic highlighter, and this is in shade Molten Topaz, and I'm just going to steeple that in so that way I don't have like a big highlighter streak on my face. So now I'm going to be taking the Jeffree x Morphe setting spray and set my face. And then I'm going to be using the Shayla x Colourpop BFF3 pencil. And I'm going to be lining my lips. Then I'm going to be taking my KKW Beauty Nude lipstick in number 3. And I'm going to go on and put that all over my lips. It's such a shade. I love it. So this is the finished look, and I'm actually liking it. I am loving this Pure Love Your Selfie concealer plus and foundation. It looks really, really good and natural. And I'm also loving, that's my dog, sorry. I am also loving the Morphe concealer. That did really good on concealing some of my dark spots. I think I'll still do some color correcting under my eyes and around my mouth though, because I still kind of see some, you know, some dark spots, but it's not too dark. But yeah, I still like it. And the foundation blended really, really good with the Jeffree Star concealer. I use my Fenty Beauty setting powder, and everything looks really, really nice and clean. I am loving the Ibby Beauty City Limits eyeshadow. This is in Headliner. It is so cute, and as you can tell, I only used one eyeshadow, and it looks really, really, really good. Nice for an everyday look, so I'm very pleased with that. So yes, I did use a lot of new products. I did use a lot of some old ones too, but I did try to use a lot of new ones. Another thing that I am liking is the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. I got this, I believe it was in one of my Ipsies, or it was in one of my subscription boxes, and I haven't used it yet, and I think it's really, really nice. It came out really pretty, as you can tell, so I'm very pleased with this. But yes, this is the look. This is how it came out. And I'm very, very pleased. So I think, and I do have a lot of this, I still have a lot of this left over for as much as I used, so I'm definitely going to be using this over the week and seeing how it does. But as of right now, I like it. I love it. I will let you guys know probably in the comment section on if it lasts all day or not, if I saw any separation or anything of that nature. But yes, this is the look, and I hope you guys like it, because I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.